Beautiful daw.
This is our semi-final match, semi-final game.
Ayun. Pumasok dito. Plus 10 na natin. Pasok natin. Third quarter na.
Wala silang ginawa.
Ha? Sige, nakapasok na eh.
Mateo, too strong, tap. Now, Musalpa. Kinichu. Musalpa again. Yes, on Musalpa. 10-2. 8-point lead on San Beda. Oh, too strong. Rebound by the Playboy Louis. Now, Kinichu. Nice pass outside, Musalpa. To Kinichu. 14 to shoot, 14. Jump ball. Ikran ball, same ball, Ikran. 14 to set shot clock, 14.
Paras galingan niyo. Yan lagi dulu namo. Tuku-tuku na buang wipe out.
It's 10-2, 8-point lead on San Beda.
Gilabay sa kalaban ng bulat din eh. Tapos wipe out.
Musalpa. Louis.
Playboy.
Short. Bound on Gamay. Gamay. Looking for Chantenko. Chantenko. Mateo. 14 to shoot. Mateo escape. Pass outside. Gamay. Yes on Gamay. 12-2. 10-point lead on San Beda. Top by Playboy Louis. Now Kinichu. Kinichu escape drive back to Mustafa. Again too strong. Rebound on Gamay. To Chantenko. Mateo. Ilustreyes. Too strong. Top. Now Musalpa. Kinichu. Foul. Foul on number 3 on Ilustreyes. First on Ilustreyes. First team foul on San Beda. It's 8 minutes. Ten-point lead on San Beda. 12 against 2. Now 12-3. 9-point lead back to San Beda. Still by Musalpa. Yes, on Panyosa now 12-5. 7-point lead San Beda. In 7 minutes and 40 seconds.
Mas kamay, pasal pa!
14 to shoot. Yak by Playboy now, Panyosa. Wow, steal. Basket count and 1 on the Playboy Louis. Foul on number 2. On Gamay. First on Gamay, second team foul, San Beda. It's 12-7. This is our semi-final game, semi-final match, and the winner of this game will advance to the finals against Perpetual. It's 8-12. 4-point lead now, San Beda.
Ayan, alis yan. Dalawa ko dyan, isa lang yan.
14 to shoot. Gamay. Chantenko. Yes, on Chantenko. 12-8. Back to 6-point lead on San Beda. Kinichu. Busalpa. Oh! Alam mo ba yung Busalpa now? 10-14. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. First quarter, second game. Do or die game, De Los Reyes. Right, scoop, De Los Reyes. Again, to throw top by the Wonder Boy. It's Kinichu. Kinichu, good, nice pass. Busalpa, Steven Mateo. Mateo, to De Los Reyes. All alone, De Los Reyes. Now 16-10. It's 6 minutes.
Bila, basta mo lang tawag, diretso.
40 to shoot. Stop. Santiago, Mateo. Busalpa. To Playboy. Yes, on the Playboy Louis. Now 14-19. It's 5-point lead on San Beda.
Tapit.
Wow, the Playboy again. The Playboy Louis, drive, gusto-gusto. Paisal, Punong Bayan top. Punong Bayan, yes, ang Punong Bayan, 16-19. It's 3-point lead now on San Beda. Chanteco.
Tapit.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Gamay! 3 minutes and 10. Yes, on Panyosa, now 18-22. It's only 4-point lead on San Beda. It's 3 minutes. Gamay again. Drive, Gamay goes to goal, short, di ba naman no play with Louis. Now it's 4-on-1 to Punong Bayan, Kinichu, foul! Foul on number 11 on Chantenko. Time out! On Litra. Now 19-22. This is our semi-final game. Semi-final match. San Beda, Litron. And the winner of this game will advance to the finals against Perpetual. Foul. Foul on the Playboy Louis. First on Louis. First team foul, Litron. It's 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Now Mateo. Gamay. Chanteco, take. Steal Panyosa. Panyosa now, coast to coast, stop on Panyosa, pull on jumper, Panyosa, 21-22. It's 1 minute and 59 seconds. Panyosa. Looking for Louis. Kinichu, side step, Panyosa, follow chow, short, top again by Kinichu. Panyosa down side, now you move, but Punong Bayan. Time out on San Beda. It's 1 minute and 28 seconds, 21 against the 22. San Beda. Set to shoot, set to shoot.
Lamang tayo ha.
Bang! On Panyosa, now 24. 23 against the 22. Foul on number 1. On San Beda. 13 foul on San Beda. Warning on San Beda, fourth on San Beda. Now 24-22, 2-point Pinolit run. (25-24).
Yan na! Dalawa!
Short. 50 seconds.
Baba!
Punong Bayan. Yes, sir! Punong Bayan. 40 seconds.
Hey! Gita!
30 seconds, 14 seconds, set 14. Mateo. Short again. Mateo rebound, 14 set, 20 seconds. Kamay. Short. Oh, Mateo! 10 seconds.
Mga score yun? Okay yun. 24-27. Tira!
San Beda ball, San Beda.
Kanina tama yung pesa mo bro. Yung kanina butin lang walang foul. Over na yun. Huwag mo lang bigyan natin ng sige, di ba? Nawawala siya.
Chantenko. Mateo. Top. Now the Wonder Boy. Short. Basilio. Chantenko looking for Mateo. Mateo out. Turnover on San Beda. It's 27 against 24. Still 3-point lead on Bitran. Now Tutanes. Wonder Boy, big. Pass to CJ. Yes, on CJ.
Eh, hapot lang yun, hapot lang.
29-24, Mateo. To Chantenko. Pass to Basilio. Last touch by Basilio.
Nice! Tingin!
Yun lang ilalim nila eh. Eh, huwag mo madali!
Era. Wonder Boy. CJ again. Bang! On CJ. 32-24. It's 8 minutes and 27 seconds. Right, Mateo, push, foul. Foul on number 26 on Escalante. Person Escalante, first team foul, it run. 2 free throw shot. Given by Mateo. 8 minutes and 10. (25-32). Now Wonder Boy.
Eh, dalawa na kayo, tatlo, kapila.
Tutanes, CJ again. Big. Tutanes, CJ, back to nice pass outside. Era. Steal on Mateo. Drive, block by Tutanes. Escalante. Now to Chantenko, 14 to shoot, 14. Basilio, kamay. Rebound on the One Boy. It's Bitran ball. It's 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
Makatakbo tuloy!
Tayo takbo! Sab! Gusto na kagano! Sab!
Escalante. Era.
Boss! Ayun lang!
In and out. Iba na ang Escalante. Yes on Escalante.
Ano dong? Buwang-buwang ba?
7 minutes.
Buwang-buwang. Doon, kita oh!
It's 34-25.
Gawa na si Jay, dikit na.
10 to shoot.
Uy, ang ganda ng pagkatapik.
8 to shoot. 8. Time out. On San Beda.
Hindi, nakapas na ako eh.
8 to shoot. Five. Bang! 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 On Chantenko!
Naiwan mo na magmadali. 27. Balik! Balik!
14 to shoot.
Balik! Balik!
10.
Uy!
Nice call, ref.
6 minutes.
Hindi pa kita nakikita tumitira.
Sige Mateo. Chantenko. All alone. Chantenko! 34-30. It's 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Escalante. Scoop short. Era. Pass again to Escalante against short. Tibaran gamay. Gamay.
Tumama sa kanyo!
It's San Beda ball. It's 5 minutes 30 seconds. 4.3 on it run.
Huwag niyo pabayaan.
Chantenko.
Ito, kabila! Nice one! Nice one!
Itanes. Era. San Beda ball. San Beda is still 34
Bawi lang, depensa.
against the 30. Now Chantenko.
Pag tinakaw ka ngayon dyan sa half, no?
Gamay.
Balik! Balik! Anyo!
10 to shoot. 10.
Okay, tribunal ka, pre.
5. Bang! 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 On Gamay! It's 34-33. Back to 1 point lead on San Litran. Whoa! Escalante!
Hey, 2-3 kayo! 2-3!
36-33. 4 minutes. Mateo. Foul. All on number 3 on CJ. First on CJ, second team foul, it's run. Good free throw shot again by Mateo. It's 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Isa pa, isa.
$34, 36. Wonder Boy. Totanes, back to Wonder Boy. CJ. Short. Top. Rebound. To Escalante. Short again. Nice pick. Nice drive. Oh, what a shot. Again, bang. Error. 3 minutes and 20.
Nung naglaro kami, makabutan ko na yung bola. Iwakan ako. Ito si...
40 to shoot.
Tirahin mo!
10.
Teng-teng!
Oy, good, good,
2 minutes and 56 seconds. It's 38 to 34. Litran. Yes, on to Tanes.
Angat na kayo, angat isa! Gilid! Yun na! Kita!
Mateo. Bang! On Mateo.
Sander, doon ka lang, Sander! Huwag ka alis doon!
Isa lang, walang double.
2 minutes and 15. Foul. Foul on number 2 on Gamay. First team foul on San Beda. Second personal foul on Gamay. Mateo. It's 2-2. Mateo pass to Chantenko. Good strong. Rebound on CJ. Wonder Boy. Masa Mateo. Good one. Mateo drive. Mateo. Yo-yo ball. Mateo.
Burting doon, burting!
40 to 39. 1 point lead on its run. Bang! On Escalante. Now 43 to 39. Mateo.
Walang double. Pag ipinigay, ayaw mo
40 to shoot. 14. Foul.
Layo na yun!
Foul on Escalante. Third team foul on Litran. Second personal foul
Wala, Escalante!
on Escalante.
Busing. Kaya ka sinasampo. Just tayo.
Yes, on Gamay.
Sander, sa'yo yun.
35 seconds. Second and 1 on Tutanes.
Grabe, idol ko yan.
Foul on number 5
Ano ba?
on McBrain. First on McBrain, second on San Beda. 28 seconds.
Nakaikot ba?
Tira na. Ay, diba?
10 to shoot.
Nice, baby.
Gamay.
Ano ba, sagad?
15 seconds.
Kamay.
10.
Robert!
Dali! May 5 seconds pa yan!
And now for second quarter, score 45 against 41. Litran. Third quarter ready, third quarter. Third quarter. Litran ball, Litran.
Napay ako ah. Magkita, tako na. Doanay mo. Mga dong. Dino mo mo?
Kinichu.
Nice one.
Too strong. Rebound on number 1. Malabag.
Matalino ko sa mga yan.
San Beda ball, San Beda.
Wala!
Kinichu. Baron Basilio. Mateo. Blocked by Kinichu. It's 50-41. 9-point lead on Litron. This is our semi-final match. McRae short. Same ball. 14 is set shot clock 14.
Ako kaya na iwan niya. Maganda palagi sa akin. Bago tayo, hindi ako iwan. Maganda palagi sa akin. Sasamit lang. Sasamit.
Now the captain middle. To Tutanes. Foul. Foul on Basilio. First on San Pedro, first against Basilio.
Gusto mo mali-ipit? Ha? Bigyan ko ng number mo. Sali kita sa team. Miss call.
Oh, Mateo!
Gusto mo?
8 minutes. Foul. Foul on number 9 on Tutanes. First personal foul on Tutanes. First team foul on Litron. It's 7 minutes and 26.
Yun na!
Kinichu. Arusale.
Next one, Katusali.
In and out. Oh! Captain Hill. Fake, right. Block by the board. Yes, on Carusale. Foul. Foul on Punong Bayan. First personal foul on Punong Bayan. Second team foul, Litran.
Ater!
Air ball. Malabang. 10 to shoot. 10.
Alam ba?
Ina! Tura! Ito ba?
10:30 daw dapat. Opo, Lihara. Sige. Iyo, sige. Ano, yes.
Makayo! Likod!
Foul. Block by Tutanes.
Tira yan! Pre, pato na! Ben, Pares! Ito!
Captain Midel. San Beda ball. San Beda.
Baba! Gilas!
Bago po mag 10:30 daw. Dapat 10:20. Ito na daw tayo.
Tapos tayo.
Outdoor yan.
Mga 10 na tapos na yan po.
Trap!
Third quarter naman lang. Fourth quarter. 10 na tapos.
Short. Foul. Foul on Dilustres. Second team foul on San Beda. First on Dilustres.
Second na po.
Second on Dilustres. Maya. Basket count tayo. Basket count. Maya. Wala pa. Relax. Basket substitution rep. Basket substitution.
Kapoy na. Tagal. Dali!
Dagal lang.
Oh, Black! Carlos Sale. Yes, on punong bayan. 5 minutes.
Emot na lang.
Time out on Citran. Spallet. Foul on number 9. At 95 on Captain Middle. 13 foul on Citran. First on the Captain Middle.
Run.
Ano mo, huhuti mo mahataw. Third pound kayo ah. Huwag nyo nang pan. Huwag nyo nang ibigay.
Tangin na love.
Asan?
Love yun. Heart.
45 to 55. 10-point lead on its run. to 55. It's Litran versus Sandela, our semi-final net, Panyosa. Bang! On Panyosa.
Huwag tumalikod!
Back to 11 point lead again, Litran, 57-46. Wow! Balabang!
Ina!
Wow! What a great move from the Playboy Louie!
Hoy! Huwag kayo magpapatuwan! Lang!
It's 4 minutes.
Ulak rip! Bang!
Balabang! 50 to 59.
Kapit na nga eh.
Balabang! Again, rebound.
Sige!
Gamay. Mateo. Ow, in and out. Rebound on Kirichu. Balabang.
Play!
Still on the captain.
Unin nyo na!
Yes, on Calusale.
Time out pa kami, Boss Mike. Time out ka?
Pagkita?
Isa pa? Support, ilan pa sir? Ay, sir. Dalawa pa.
Tuloy pa nga tayo.
Whoa! Calusale, time out. San Beda.
Kamayan, zoom lang. Sige. Zoom lang. Plano nyo.
Gamay. 14 shoot. 10. Foul. Foul on Busalpa. Warning for penalty on Litran. First on Busalpa. (51 to 63). It's 2 minutes and 15. Third quarter. Second game. Semi-final match. 52-63. 11-point lead on Litran. Yes on Musalpa.
Basta wala na reklamo, hayaan mo na. Wala. Gol, bilisan niyo, gol. Yan. Bangin na yan, oh. Dilid!
10 to shoot.
Okay, bilis! Mulay! Dilid, takbo! Kaya!
Basket count and one on the Playboy Louis. Foul number 11. On Chantenko.
Tagal pala to. Hindi aabot nga.
Manloy!
Paano kaya yun?
Okay.
Pas, kilati!
40 to shoot. 10 to shoot, 10.
Lapit! Lapit!
Nice one.
Ay, kamama!
White ball. It's 67 to 52. 15-point lead on the run.
Di, bilisan nyo! Ay, sila!
Eh, si Pusalpa! Paano Pusalpa? Tingnan mo makikita sa camera. Ang parang tingin kasi kaya na dito kasi gumanon yung bola eh.
Yes, on McRae. 40 seconds.
Mga to! Labas. Papahinga yung kalaban yan. Di!
14 to shoot. 30 seconds. Twenty-four seconds, 24.
Kacat.
15.
Wala! Bilis!
Yes, on Panyosa. And now for third quarters.
Yes, yung mga nasa gilid. Para hindi walang tres. Sana ba? Sana.
Sabayan ba mo? Sabayan na?
Black foul.
Ayaw mo na!
Foul on number 12 from Kininchu. First on Kininchu. First team foul, right run.
eh.
55 to 69. Back to 14-point lead on Litron. $56-69. Now Kininchu. Foul.
Nice one.
Foul on Malabat.
Ano yun? Out of shooting ba? Dukot eh. Bro, sa baba yun eh.
Second personal foul on Malabat. Warning on bench. Dikoro.
Hindi ko kami nakakuha pa lang pre! Nakakuha pa lang eh! Pumasok daw!
Warning nga.
Sige.
Warning ulit?
Hindi na mawasok. Sige.
Warning ulit? Dalawang warning? Pwede pa ngayon? Hindi. Dalawang warning.
Stop, Ayutanes. Too strong.
Talulo!
Ayos pa.
Mateo. Short. Basilio. Chantenko. 14 sa set lang. 14. Black. Matutanes. Foul.
Balabag ko eh.
Foul on. Osvaldo. Foul on number 12. Second personal foul on number 12. Kinichu. Asiro.
Double warning.
Sila hit.
Foul on now Playboy. One Playboy Ului.
Gurding, gurding.
Stop.
Sub. 69 to 57. Steal on Basilio.
Layo! Sige, Banting! Papunta sila!
Louis.
Grabe!
Ano?
Paul! Upat! Bola! Doon! Bossing, sab!
Sub.
Nalyara.
Malabat. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Chantenko. Drive, skate, pass outside. Basilio. Out, in and out. Gamay.
Huwag mo na bumaba!
Yes on Gamay. It's 59 to 69. 10-point lead now on this run. It's 5 minutes and 50 seconds. In and out. Yes on to Sanes.
Hoy! Luya, baba.
Saan may ako ng bola? Kaya pa ba ni Allen? Kaya pa ba? Ay!
10 to shoot. Yes on Punong Bayan.
Kinaikot pa eh.
5 minutes and 20.
Yan tayo mga namin, boss.
Dalawa.
Ano ba sa'yo? Awul ka! Hindi ako sa'yo!
Time out.
Time out. Oh.
Tira nyo sa labas, huwag nyo nang iikuan. Pasok. Kaya malabo sa tawag eh. Walang tres. Walang tres.
Bang. On Dealers Players. Now 62. To 75. It's 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Escalante. Four minutes and 14 seconds. Four minutes. 14 to shoot.
Rep.
Usalpa, 3 minutes and 40. Yes, on Usalpa. Fourteen to shoot. Bang! 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 On gamay! This is our semi-final match, semi-final game. It's Citran against San Beda and advance to the finals between Perpetual. Yes, on gamay. 2 minutes and 15. Or 50 shoots. 10.
Tom, tayo na Tom.
Yes, on Balabag.
Wala.
Ubus na lang oras.
Bang! 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 On Pulong Bayan. 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Tira.
Short. Iba ng gamay.
Foul! Sana, tinamat na.
Bang! 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 On Mateo! Foul.
Go sila oh!
Tadlusunod sa ulat.
Sige, pasok, tawag.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Go! Okay na, Dima.
Tawag ka lang.
14 to shoot. Yes, on Pulong Bayan. 45 seconds.
Oo, kayo.
30. 25 seconds, 25.
Mateo.
20 seconds. Ten.
Buya!